All right, well, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on this G-2300 module 2184 first generation. I don't know if this bezel is going to work. This bezel, I'm going to put the part number right here and the modules, the models that it'll work. It'll kind of looks like it'll work, but we'll see. This there's a version of this that is still being sold today with a lot more features than this. It's about $100 right now. The moment of this recording on Amazon, I'll leave you a link down below. But this one is data memory. It'll save up to 30 telephone numbers with name. I think it still has the original battery. Check this out. So the troubleshooting screen. I did a short with this and it arrived dead. And as you can see, it's showing that the battery is fully charged. But I can only do that troubleshooting screen only once. Let me see, it's gonna make me look bad now. Let me see. Okay, you see how I did it? Let me try it again. You see how it went? It's like it doesn't have enough power. And it just takes itself out. You can see the light still works. So, brand new straps. Right there. That's the part number. I'll leave you guys links for everything here. Battery uses a ML 2016. So let's crack this one open and start working on it. I want to remove the bezel first. There. Man, look at this. Oof. Nasty. So this is the G-2300. 2 years later, it's from 2000, this watch. 2 years later, the 2310 came out. Same module. So I believe the only difference is this ring right here. This is resin. On the 2310 is made out of metal. And you can still get that part too. There's different models with different colors. I'm about to clean up. All right, let's do a comparison here. It looks like it's gonna work. Why do they still make a version of this watch? Well, I can understand why. This watch is not huge. like the new Mudman, but it's not tiny either, so it's like a in between, nice size. Not everybody wants to wear a huge G-Shock. And I'm guessing this is for the people that don't like the squares. The new version is atomic and solar. This one is solar. All right. I gotta turn this button. Oh yes. So it fits. There you have it. So the new bezel works on the G-2300. Put it up again so you see it again. All right. Let me take it apart. What happened here? The light button was stuck. That's why it didn't work. See? Figure it out. All right, let's open up the back. So these old solar watches don't have a batch number. So I really can't run the batch number to see the date. But it's from originally from the year 2000, so it's nice and clean. That's a good sign. This is definitely a good sign. I don't think nobody's been in here. The O-ring is flat. No worries, I got a new one. All right. Press and poke. Looks kind of swollen. Let's do an AC. Where is the AC? I saw it right there. Very shallow. Barely see it. Fully charged. All right, let's remove the module with the new battery. Look at that. I like that color. a cage like the old square DW5600, and it has a lot of mold in there. To remove that faceplate, where I'm gonna have to remove the buttons. All right, so let me get my tool. There is a lot of dust and stuff. Well, that C-clip is done. Yikes. One washer. One, two. One, watch is dirty. Got it. All right, let me do the other two. All right, all the buttons are out. Here is the solar panel with all the text. This is a beautiful design. Why they stopped making them like this? This is super smart. So that means if I wanted to change the glass, I can install a sapphire glass on this. All I just gotta do is take the measurement. Look at that. Man, they don't make nice things anymore. Oh, I forgot this one. Gotta get that one. All right, all the buttons are out. Look at that. Crusty, crusty, crusty. I'm gonna put all of this on the ultrasonic cleaner, and I'll be back. All right, check it out. Everything is nice and clean. Buttons have new O-rings, freshly lubed. Repainted the G on the light button. Repainted the G-Shock here on that inner bezel. Repainted the letters on the new bezel to match the old one. Because these, if you want to roll back the video, they were like light gray. They're not white. I also washed this. It looks half decent now. And cleaned the inner glass with the solar panel. The only thing that I'm gonna do different now is I'm gonna install the bezel first. That way I don't have to force the bezel over the buttons like I did before. But other than that, it's just a reverse process. Solar panel, the cage, and the buttons, module, O-ring, back cover. Running a new set of spring bars, thick boys, 1.8 thick, similar to the original ones. They fit very nice on these original straps. You can see the original, they have a big hole. So if you use the other ones that are like 1.5, they kind of wiggle around inside. So let me put this together and I'll be back. That took me way too long. My vision is not very good. And let me see. I'll slide in the bottom first. And I'm gonna put on my double goggles so I can see here. Check the buttons here. All right, it appears that it's sitting flush. Now for the O-ring. Part number 7420961. Notice how this back cover is not the same. Top and bottom is different. Line it. Tighten up the screw. 1, 3, 2, 4. 1, 3, 2, 4. All right, let's do the straps. The other one. If I could grab it. It's a little uncomfortable here. There. Making sure I push it in. And the only thing left to do is install the bezel screws. All right, let me clean up so we can take a better look at this. Check it out. World time. Memory data, data memory. Alarm. 2, 3, 4, 5. Signal. Stopwatch. You get work this stopwatch with a countdown. Look at that. Timer. You can set the timer all the way down to 1 second using the adjust button. And here you could adjust it to auto repeat. See, it's on. I'm gonna do it like that. And from this screen, if you press this button, leave it, you turn on the auto backlight. It's too much light. I'm gonna have to turn off some of the lights. Give me a second. All right, let me see if it works now. There it goes. There it goes. So that means the solar panel is working, because I was not able to find a troubleshooting screen for the solar panel. Just the one I showed you in the beginning, and look. And it goes away. So I don't know why it does that. You saw the light works. Let me compare it to the BX 5600. You can see that very reasonable in size. So the new one, if the bezel work, that means the new one is the same size. And here is the GW 2400. You can see the size comparison here. Look at that. Next to the M5610 with metal bezel. That's gonna be it. Thank you for watching. I'll leave it like that. Let me know what you guys think. Brand new watch. Peace out.